Hey, Nick Watson here. We're going to add another unit to our YouTube stream. Excited to have this one. This is a 2023 E350. It's a little cutaway box truck that we have. 290 miles. This thing's got a bunch of features, but the real feature is 290 miles. So Johnny and I are going to go around this thing. Brand new unit. Still got the plastic wrapped around some of the items on the inside. So we're going to go around and show you this thing. It's got a lot of features on the inside of power windows, power locks, keyless, adaptive cruise control, rear backup camera, just a ton of stuff that's on the inside here that comes on these newer units now. Does have a Rockport commercial body on the back of it. You know, Bluetooth, wireless, all that stuff. Brand new tires. There's not a scratch on this thing. I don't think it was ever used, really. I mean, does have side door access here. LED lighting on the inside. Tie downs along the wall there for cargo. Does have a lock for the, you know, for a deadbolt lock on the outside. But you can see that the plastic is still on the seat belts. Not a lot to show you underneath here. Thing's only got 290 miles on it, so I mean it's fully serviced from the factory. But if you got any more questions about this unit, Johnny and I'd love to visit with you. All the information will be on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. You give Johnny and I a call at 919-661-2886. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.